actually have somebody in the courtroom.
Yes, sir.
Oh, all right. That's a
Okay,
change.
we are ready, Your Honor.
All right. This is case number SP 117-45271, Alvin Robinson, unregistered and titled. Case number SP 117-45272, Alvin Robinson, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Alvin Robinson.
Thank you. Is it on for House Counsel?
Yes. Offers plea to unregistered, untitled vehicle dismissed with no insurance. Ms. Robinson wishes to,
All right.
Attorney
Thank you.
Soroki, this is a dismissal.
it's a dismissal in full? Okay, he'll take the dismissal in full.
On both of them?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
All
That's
right.
what Madam Prosecutor wrote.
All right. Thank you. Based on the representations of House. Oh, did I get your appearance, Mr. Robinson?
You did, Your Honor.
Oh, all right. Based on the representations of House Counsel, I'm going to dismiss case number SP 117-745. Case number SP 117-45271 and case number SP 117-45272. Mr. Robinson, since you came into court, you're free to go.
Thank you, sir.
You're all set.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Mr.
You
Robinson.
as well, then. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Davis Walker. He's a dismissal as well, Your Honor.
Walker?
Yes,
That's
yes,
a
Your Honor.
dismissal.
Yeah, is Walker on the docket, Madam Clerk? Oh,
Yes, Your
it-
Honor.
It's Davis?
Davis
Yes.
Walker. I have two last names.
Oh, all right. All right, this is case number SP 111-55031. Davis Walker, no operators permit. Let's have appearances.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Daryl Davis Walker.
Is there an offer, House Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask court to accept the offer of prosecution to dismiss this matter.
Is this a dismissal, Mr. House Counsel?
Yeah.
All right, based on
Yes, Your Honor,
representation. Were you
I
saying something,
apologize.
Don?
Yes, Your Honor. It is a dismissal. Madam Prosecutor wrote up the paperwork.
All right, based on the representations of House Counsel, the court's going to dismiss case number SP 111-55031. Mr. Walker, you owe us $25 House Counsel fee. How much time you need to pay?
You said how much time do I need to pay?
$25, sir. Yes, sir.
You said $25. Okay. When do I have to pay that by?
Oh, yeah, how much time you need? You need a week,
Uh,
a month? $25.
just $25. Where do I go to pay it? Your Honor?
36districtcourt.org. And you're paying that for the great services that Mr. Soroki just provided to you.
Oh, okay. Just I can just say a week, but I'm gonna pay it today. I'm gonna pay it today.
Okay, a week will be fine. And don't pay it today. We won't have the paperwork in the system until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow. Okay.
All right, Mr. Walker, you're free to go.
Excuse me. One more thing. Am I after I make that payment or whatever, am I gonna be cleared to get my license back?
No, you have to go to Secretary of State and pay a reinstatement fee to them, $45.
Okay, so I have to wait for everything to process in the system. So I should do all of that by like Monday or something like
Do it
that.
yourself, Mr. Walker. This ticket has been dismissed. And if you want, you should write down the ticket number, which is SP 111.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'm about to put it down right now.
Okay,
Say-
the ticket numbers are important, Mr. Walker.
Okay, I'm putting it down now.
SP 111
SP
55031.
55031. SP 11
111 3 1s 2 5 and then a 031.
Okay, I got you.
and it starts with SP. That's the ticket number. So
It starts with
once you
SB.
contact the Secretary of State, you can let them know that you paid this ticket number. And if this is your only problem, then you're there to pay the reinstatement fee and get your license back.
Okay, you said ST or SB?
SP, as in Paul.
Oh, okay, SP. Okay, I got it. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're free to go, Mr. Walker.
Okay, thanks.
House Counsel,
Yes, Your Honor.
you ready on anybody else? You fading out, House
Yes,
Counsel.
I'm ready on everyone. You want, okay, Alonso Rojas?
Rojas? All right, thank you. This is case number SX 389-51241. Alfonso Rojas, license scan PBACC. Case number SX 389-51242. Alonso Rojas, impeding vehicle. Case number SX 389-51243. Alonso Rojas, no proof of insurance. Let's have appearances.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Alonso Magdalena Rojas.
Thank you.
Your
Is there
Honor.
a call for House Counsel?
Yes, today date and time set for a trial and formal hearing in these matters. The police officer has not appeared. We move to dismiss these matters without prejudice.
All right, these matters were, Madam Clerk,
Yes, Your Honor.
did a police officer appear on these cases for Mr. Rojas?
No, Your Honor, it's Officer Aaron Burbank, badge number 1839, Michigan
Okay.
State Police.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. These matters were set at 8:30, and it is now 9:33. The officer has failed to appear. I'm going to dismiss ticket number SX 389-51241, ticket number SX 385-1242, and you take case number SX 389-51243. Mr. Rojas, you owe us $25. How much time do you need to pay?
I can make a payment later on today, but I will have to go to the bank and put some money in the bank account. Is there a way where I can make a
Mr.
payment?
Rojas, how you deal with your bank is up to you. $25, you got a week to pay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
36districtcourt.org.
Thank you.
You're free to go.
Appreciate it.
House Counsel, who's next?
Okay.
Attorney Soroki, can you go into room 9 and ask Mr. Davenport to leave? He's the other no officer matter. He's not coming out.
Is this
Okay.
Maurice Davenport?
Yes, he's a
All right.
no officer, Your
All
Honor.
right. All right. Once you get him out, I'll call it.
Okay.
Okay, you want me to go in there and ask him to leave? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
that's what you
please.
need to do,
Okay,
House Counsel.
very good.
It's Friday.
Okay, did he, here he is.
Yep.
All right. This is case number SX 370-55101, Maurice Davenport, license and proper. Case
Yes,
number SX 370-55102, Maurice Davenport, and registered and titled. Let's have appearances.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Maurice Davenport.
Thank you. House
Yes.
Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, today's date and time set for trial in this matter. The police officer has not appeared, and we move to dismiss.
Thank you. Based on the representation, Madam Clerk, has the police officer appeared on the Maurice Davenport case?
No, Your Honor, it would be Trooper Kelly Brennan for the Michigan State Police Post.
Thank you. This matter was set at 8:35. It is now 9:37. The officer has not appeared, therefore I'm dismissing case number SX 370-55101 and case number SX 370-55102. Mr. Davenport, you owe us $25. How much time do you need to pay?
I'll get paid till Friday.
No problem. You can pay us next week, 36districtcourt.org.
Okay,
Thank you. You're free to go.
thank you.
House counsel?
Yes. Okay. The next one is Mickey Ruffin.
I'm sorry?
Mickey Ruffin.
Mickey Ruffin. Thank
Right.
you.
Baby, come here.
All right. This is case number 075-961-721, Mickey Ruffin, no operator's license. Case number 162-257-621, Mickey Ruffin, no operator's license. Case number 162-257-622, Mickey Ruffin, unregistered and entitled. Case number 162-257-623, Mickey Ruffin, no insurance. Case number 217-170-091. Oh, that's not Mickey Ruffin. That's somebody else. Let's have appearances.
Alan Strokey, P37441, appear to be the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Mickey Ruffin.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House counsel?
Yeah, Your Honor, today's date time set for trial in these matters. The police officer has not appeared. We move to dismiss.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, has the officer appeared on the Mickey Ruffin cases?
No, Your Honor, it would be Officer Devontae Brooks, badge number 625 of the Detroit Police Department.
All right. Based on the representations of House counsel and his motion, this matter was set at 8:30. It is now 9:39. Officers failed to appear. I'm gonna dismiss ticket number 075-961-721. I'm gonna dismiss ticket number 162-257-621. Ticket number 162-257-622, and ticket number 162-257-623. Mr. Ruffin, you owe us $25 for house counsel fee. How much time do you need to pay?
Next month.
No problem. I'll give you 30 days. You can pay it at 36districtcourt.org or at the kiosk in front of the building.
How much?
$25.
$25.
Right, and that's because you're paying the house counsel fee who just got your 4 tickets dismissed.
Right. Thank
He's
you.
worth $25.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and he appreciates it. I
Do
saw
we
him
get-
smile when you said it.
Do we get any money back?
Did you have a bond?
He had 4. I had the 4 tick.
You get whatever bond money you put down, Mr. Ruffin. So they will subtract $25 and you will get the rest back.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're free to go, Mr. Ruffin.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
Judge.
Thank you.
Yes.
Attorney Thrower. Who's next?
Let's go with Lawan Davis.
Davis?
Lawan Davis.
What's the first name?
Lawan. Lejuan.
Lejuan, John
Yeah.
Davis?
Yes.
Oh, I see him as John Davis. Okay. This is ticket number U563 89320, LaJohn Davis, disorderly conduct. Let's have appearances.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Lewan Davis.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House Counsel?
No, Your Honor, this is a review. It's for a soliciting ticket, and he says he's made, I guess, he's made one of his payments. He has another payment due tomorrow, and then he has, I guess he has a STD. He's got the STD test done, but he still has to take the class.
And the remaining payment, how much is it that he owes?
How much you owe, Mr. Davis?
It's $220. I'm on a payment plan of paying $20. So I just paid the first payment plan. I just paid $25 the first time. So
And how much time went by? How much time did you have to complete this, Mr. Davis?
I had they say I got to June, but I had to June 29th to complete this. But but she told me she wanted to review today. What was I at so far?
So, House Counsel, it sounds like he needs more time to finish the fines and the fees. Is there a?
Yes, we make a motion to extend, Your Honor.
All right, Madam Prosecutor, you have any objection? I saw you here. Oh, I see it's gone. How much time you need, Mr. Davis?
I think till June, because I have my work schedule doesn't. I have to work around work and everything and moving.
Okay, is that like 30 days, Mr. Davis?
For the test or all of it?
I'm just asking you how much time you need to complete this.
Oh, till June.
Okay, I'll give you 30 days. You need more? You need 6?
I need till June 29th.
June 29th. This is start of May. Okay, I'm gonna give Mr. Davis too much. I'm gonna give him 60 days. Give him another review date. Madam
Yes,
Clerk.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. It will be July 22nd.
July 22nd, Mr. Davis.
Okay.
Make sure you have everything done by then.
Okay.
You're not gonna get another extension.
Okay.
All right, you're free to go.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. House Counsel,
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Felicia Reed?
Felicia Reed, okay. This is case number SP 117-88233, Felicia Reed, license and property. Let's have appearances.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, please?
Felicia Reed.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Prosecution has made an offer to dismiss this matter.
All right, based on the representations of House Counsel, I'm going to dismiss ticket number SP 117-88. I'm sorry? Who's talking? Based on representations of House Counsel, I'm dismissing ticket number SP 117-88233. You owe us $25, Ms. Reed, for House Counsel services. How much time do you need to pay?
Excuse me?
You owe us $25 for House Counsel services. How much time do you need to pay?
Oh, I can pay. How can I pay today?
36districtcourt.org, and you can pay it tomorrow.
Is it a way I can come in and drop it off?
You can drop it off at the key at the 36th District Court.
Only $25?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much.
You're free to go.
Have a great one.
All right. Before I go back to House Counsel, I see there's an attorney here. Attorney Dew, why are you here?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Attorney Spencer Clayton for Brian Dew.
All right, are you ready on Mr. Dew?
We are.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, I'm gonna find Mr. Dew and I'm gonna take care of you, counsel, since you're here.
Wonderful.
This is case number SP 833-799-2, Brian Dew, license improper. Case number SP 833-7993, Brian Dew, no insurance. Case number 173-641-341, Brian Dew, no operator's license. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Dew. Mr. Dew, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Brian Dew.
Thank you. Are you ready for trial, counsel?
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with the prosecutor on this matter. They are going to they're going to dismiss the original 4 charges that are up today and add another count of improper plates. I did speak with my
improper plates will be in place of which of these cases?
And good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. It's my understanding, based on my memory, SP 833-7991 would be amended to improper plates and dismissal of the other 3 charges. And for the record, Your Honor, our officer Shabazz is here and we're ready for trial.
Okay. So your offer is for him to plead to SP 833-791, and the other charges will be dismissed, Madam Prosecutor?
That's correct, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Madam Clerk, will you swear Mr. Dew in?
Mr. Dew, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
I do.
All right,
Thank you.
Mr. Dew, did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
I do.
Madam Clerk, I need the date and time if the Dew was stopped.
January 27th, 2017 at 4:57 p.m.
Mr. Dew, were you stopped by members of the Detroit Police Department on that date and time and issued a violation?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Counsel, would you voir dire your client for the factual basis?
Mr. Dew, is it true that on that date and time, you were in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And that's in Wayne County, Michigan?
Yes.
And at that time, did you have an improper plate on your vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you. Court will find that Mr. Dew is clearly responsible. Case number SP 833-7991. Per his agreement with the prosecutor, I'm dismissing case number SP 833-7992. Case number SP 833-7993, and case number 173-641-341. Mr. Dew, you owe us $150 for improper plates.
Okay.
How much time do you need to pay?
I can pay today on I heard you last, I can pay on the website, right? On 36th District?
Yes, sir, but wait till tomorrow. It takes us a day to get our records in.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. You're free to go, Mr. Dew.
May I ask one question or?
Sure, you have your attorney here, Mr. Dew. That's why you hired him.
Yeah.
But go ahead and pose your question.
Well, really to my attorney, maybe you could give me a call. I don't know if you're going to stay in the room after we get off this call.
I'll give you a call. I do have another case that's probably about to be called, but I'll call you this morning.
I'll just need 1 second of your time. I appreciate it, everyone.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Dew. Good. I'll see you later.
Thank you, Officer Shabazz. Good luck, Mr. Dew. Bye, Mr. Clayton.
Thank you, Madam Prosecutor. All right. We're back to House Counsel. And I see we've got an officer here, House Counsel, Officer Rogan.
Yes, sir.
If you could get him out of here, we would appreciate it.
He's not, Dakari Rogan is not an officer.
Officer Maya is here for Rogan.
Officer.
Yep. And I thought Sergeant Fitzpatrick was also here.
Oh, okay, so
Okay.
this is a more involved case.
That's correct, Your Honor, set for
All
trial.
right, give me something what do you want to go to next, House Counsel?
Judge, on this matter, he's willing to take the offer to the impaired for the OWI. But as to the CCW, we were asking for that to be dismissed. And there's no
Well,
state
what case is this?
prosecutor.
What case is this? I can call it if you're ready on it.
Dakari Rogan.
Rogus?
Yes, Dakari Rogan.
Oh,
Right.
Dakari Rogan. All right, have him come out.
He's
Your
out.
Honor.
All
Right.
right, we'll call it now since the prosecutor's here and officer. This is case number SP 116-67681, Dakari Rogan, CCW. Case number Z 808-3121, Dakari Rogan, OWI City. Madam Clerk, he's charged with a
Yes, Your Honor.
felony. He's supposed to be over at the criminal site, criminal court. Madam Prosecutor, he's got a CCW. Why is he here?
Your Honor, I do not know. It was assigned to the judge with the OWI. I don't have an answer for that, Your Honor.
I mean, this is a felony. This is traffic court. You over here with felonies? Madam Prosecutor, what do you want to do with this?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the way that it's handled, we do handle the OWI. However, a Wayne County prosecutor would be needed for this particular court to handle this matter here. Let me check with my supervisor because generally I believe they are handled here, but we cannot speak on the offer because it's not a city case. One moment, please. I'll be right back.
All right, Officer Rogan, I tried to get you dealt with, but there's problems, so we're gonna have to go to somebody else. Madam Clerk, would you give Officer Rogan some advice while we move on?
So it's actually Officer Maya, Your Honor. I have the defendant's name in the parentheses next to the officer's name. Officer Maya, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. And Mr. Rogan, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room as well.
Okay.
Your Honor, this is the last case that we have.
Oh, this is the last case?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, I guess we'll have to wait for a state prosecutor then.
Yep. So
All right.
I'll go off the live stream and put the officer and the defendant in the waiting room.